Hey, Western Covenant students! Ready to register for your courses this quarter? Let's walk you through the simple steps to get you enrolled and on your way. Step 1. Log into your student portal on Class E365 Learning Management System. Just head over to https://wsuniversity.class365.com. Enter your credentials and you're in. Step 2. Once you're in, go to the Modules drop-down at the top of the page. Got it? Great. Step 3. Now click on CRM Forms and E-commerce from the drop-down list. This is where the magic happens. Step 4. Select the correct course registration form. Pay attention here. Make sure it's the correct year, the right quarter, and the right program. You don't want to end up in the wrong class. Step 5. Fill out the form just as instructed. It's quick and easy. Step 6. Now choose which courses you want to take this academic quarter. We're almost done. Step 7. Once everything looks good, hit submit and you're all set. Well done. Now just sit tight. The admissions team will confirm your enrollment in 5 to 7 business days. Keep an eye on your email. That's it. Simple, right? If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the admissions team at info@wcuniversity.edu or call 213-293-1771. Happy learning, and we'll see you in class. Western Covenant University, where learning meets opportunity.